Welcome to the demo of the 25A feature, View Assigned Operations and Expedited Work Orders at a Workstation. When production operators check into a workstation to begin production, they need the list of work order operations that they should be executing at the workstation. With this update, operators can view the list of operations assigned to their workstation by the production supervisor. If business requirements necessitates expedition of a work order, this information is also passed to the operator executing operations at the workstation. Any changes during production on the assigned work that the operator needs to do at the workstation automatically becomes part of a workflow and need not be manually communicated to the operators. Now let's look at a short demo scenario for this feature. I will launch the Execute Production at a Workstation task in Work Execution Work area, select a workstation and check into it. I will then view the list and details of the operations assigned to the workstation. Depending on Smart Operations configuration settings, we will view three different configurations that the operator will experience in the workstation. Towards the end, I will show how production supervisors can enforce operation assignments to a workstation. Before I get into the operator's experience of this feature, let me first show how production supervisors can assign work order operations to a workstation. I launch the Production Supervision task in Work Execution Work area. In the Monitoring tab, I select my workstation. I click on Assign Operations to assign work order operations to this workstation. I select two operations and assign it to my workstation. I can also optionally assign specific quantities to the workstation for an operation, update the sequence of execution at the workstation, or expedite particular work orders. Work orders that are expedited appear at the top of the execution sequence. Now coming back to our main demo track, where we will show how operators can view the list of these assigned operations. I launch the Execute Production at a Workstation task in Work Execution Work area. I select a workstation and check into it. In the first scenario here, work order operation assignments are not enforced. Operators can either select and start an assigned operation or scan a work order and pick an operation that can be executed at this workstation. I click on Assigned Operations. I am presented with the list of work order operations assigned by the supervisor to this workstation. I can see the assigned quantities and the sequence in which these operations need to be executed. If there were expedited work orders, then they are presented at the top of the list. Optionally, I can filter by expedited work orders to view only expedited work orders and begin execution of their operations. To select an operation, I click on the eye icon and look at the work order operation details. I can now click on Start to begin executing this work order operation. If the operation assignment is enforced, then an operator can only view and start executing assigned operations. The search bar where operator could select and scan any work order is disabled. The third and the most controlled option is when operation assignments are enforced with sequence. When this is selected, an operator can only execute operation which is at the top of the build sequence. Now let's look at the setup enhancements delivered to support this feature. I launch the Smart Operations Configurations task in Work Execution Work area. Under the Configuration Parameters tab in the Work Execution section, I can select the enforcement level for work order operation assignments. The options available to me are Not Enforced, Enforced, and Enforced with Sequence. As demonstrated earlier, these three options will determine how an operator can select or view operations assigned at a workstation. This concludes our demo. For a holistic view of the enhancements delivered in this release for work execution and production supervision, Please refer to Manufacturing 25A What's New for the following features. Monitor workstation performance when supervising production. Manage work order operation queues for workstations when supervising production. And configure and manage performance metrics for your workstation. Thank you.